All right, dude. Nice. We are live. Little Friday. Little Friday. So it's okay, everyone. This is a January expiry. Uh, what is this thing? Oh, it's an iron condor. I don't have a lot of money in it. It's okay. It's all right. That thing, dude. This is 230, 240, 360, 370. This thing will almost certainly expire worthless. Is it 230? 230, 240. So yeah, we're getting close to that 240, but I mean, look at all this. Should bounce. So yeah, I mean, I still have another month. So all it needs to do in the next month is be anywhere in here in the next month. And if it starts coming down here, I'll just roll it. Well, no, I probably won't roll it. I'll just get out because I don't have that much money in it. So if it comes down there, I'll just get out. But yeah, it's the January expiry, so we're starting to get close to Theta becoming my homie. This shouldn't really break. I mean, we're below everything, but whatever. It's a good condor. I mean, if coin breaks down any lower, then I'll just get into puts because if it goes lower, what's stopping it? Nothing. So whatever. Just figured I'd talk about that really quick. Let's see what else is going on out here today. Let me get all these greenies out of here. I probably won't trade Pat today because I'm pissed at it because yesterday's a little fake out. So I got it yesterday for like 0.19 loss right here. And then I retested and then fell all day long. Which, whatever, happened. Pop into the old Slack, say good morning to the team in there. All the killers in that Slack. Okay, maybe I will trade Pat. Let's see what the daily looks like. I hardly ever check the daily, but the reason I check the daily is because, I mean, dude, there's nothing there. Okay, I might trade Pat. That's probably why I traded down yesterday. I mean, if we take this little thing out, yeah, if we trade down, it probably fades because if it trades up at all, it probably fades because there's nothing stopping it. So yeah, the only time I check the daily, really, is see how I have no reference. I have no idea where my target could go because on the 5 minute there's just nothing there. So that's when I check the daily to give me an idea. Yeah, this is a good short on CCL yesterday. All right. I don't know. Probably I'm gonna be patient today. I mean, I've been patient all week, but I'd really like to make some money today. Like that a lot. JD probably goes up, feels like that. Airbnb, all right. See, let's see. I'm gonna check the daily on Airbnb. I mean, yesterday was such a big selling day. We're gapping in the support. I'm not in love with that one. I'm on public Wi-Fi. All right. Moving average is a bit far away from this one. I'm going to check the daily because we had a lot of selling days recently. So I usually don't check the daily, but something like this could work. We trade back up. Okay, I like that. Excuse me. Kind of gapping in the support. Not obsessed with it. Yes, looks kind of cool. Again, I don't really check the data that often, but everything's kind of everything's kind of at these levels now where I don't want to get too aggressive. And I just know that from just trading the market every day. I just kind of know everything's kind of low. So I'm not gonna try. I don't trade Tesla. I do not trade Tesla. Even though today might be a good day too because of it. I don't know. it's coming down into that gap. I mean, it's gapping into the gap pretty much. So I don't anticipate it's just gonna like smoke lower, but I don't know. I don't really trade it. AMC's been. Oh, I kind of like this. See, AMC's kind of been like trending up, and now it's gapping below stuff. So I really like that. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Coin thing kind of. I would love an inverse hammer on coin. If coin gives me an inverse hammer with a wick, like say it like opens here, trades up, closes there with a wick like this or something, or even closes here, and I get some volley, I will get in right here and just ride that baby down all day. I love this setup. I hope we get that. That'd be cool. Um, Z kind of going into sport horse. I could see Hood. Could see Hood doing this. Keep it on the list, whatever. Hey pal, moves too big. Disney's a little big. Neo, another good candidate for that inverse hammer. That one on the list. Apple. Okay, Apple. Apple could trade up, sell off. I don't know. I don't like it as much as I like some of this other stuff though. Shop looks like a decent long actually, because it looks like it could maybe put in a wick, come up here, put in a wick, and close kind of strong with volume. If it does that, it's coming up here, so I'll keep that one on the list today. Twitter, another good candidate for that inverse hammer, or even really just like a if it trades up. Yeah, see the thing is when it gaps down like this, like if it were to gap up or open flat, specifically if it were to gap up just little, open here, and then close somewhere down here. If it did that, see how it's already below all this stuff, and it needs to retest that. That's a just an amazing setup. Those are the ones that are perfect, but it's not really doing that. So I'll just keep it on the list. Whatever we have. Snap again. So we're gonna need inverse hammers with the way everything's gapping down. They're gapping down beautifully into these little consolidation buckets. Not buckets, but I don't know. I don't know what you call them. Oops. They're gapping down from these little like zones of support and resistance. So it really needs to trade up into it and get rejected with some volume. But see this volume here, I don't like how much volume there is on that last candle from yesterday. A lot of people be like, "Oh, that means they're trapped." No, it doesn't. This doesn't mean anything to me. I mean, if somebody has a different opinion, I'd like to hear about it. But to me, that doesn't mean anything. By the way, I got a coffee today, so I'm probably gonna make $70 million. Apparently, it was brewed on the sun in a sock because it's really hot and tastes bad. It's like water. Whatever. All right, Zim, another one. See, when I see like these, this isn't really like strong to me. See how this pivot starts to be like in play like here with this little thing, and this little thing? That means more to me. So like if I were gonna take it, this would be the first level I cared about. Like none of this shit means anything. And neither does this. So like if it were to like consolidate and break this, it's coming down here. Amazon. Alright, Amazon's got a nice little I like how this is all flat and it popped down. I don't know. Keep watching that one sometime. Oops. Oops. No, I didn't want to do that. NVDA, yeah, a lot. I mean, NVIDIA is nice too, with these little inverse hammer plays. If we can get some volume on some of those, it'd be cool. CVS, this is actually kind of a decent gap because there's nothing really important until like down here. So, okay, I like CVS. I'll keep that one on the list. Too big. It's kind of confusing. There's nothing in there. Yeah, too much shit underneath it. Too big. I don't know. Docu kind of looks similar to what Path looked like yesterday. Gap down, trade up into game. But then I'm just shorting against the moving averages. I'm not going to do that. Chewy could be a nice retest and then go lower into here. Roblox. Roblox could be cool. It's a strong name. I don't. Let's see. Yeah, yesterday was kind of a big candle, so I'm probably not going to short it. This would be a good handle. Good numbers here. We had some big old red candles yesterday, though. Big old boys. Yeah, I don't know. So, yeah, that one could work. I'll keep that nice. Uh, since we had all these big red candles yesterday, I'll probably look for like a bullish replay. So like it's kind of nice. Yeah, I mean, dude, just look at all these red candles out there. I don't know, red candles. Big red candles. INTC, this would be a great one for the first camera. It's not doing shit until down here. Yeah, I'll keep that on the list. And all the MAs. I like how this moving average is below, so if it were to gap down, now it's got the 105. Too big of a gap. All right, let's go through these bad boys. SHIB is literally no one ever will buy it again. It's the weakest. Like no one will ever touch it again. Apparently, like everybody just wants to sell it every single day, which is pretty shitty. It's my first and only crypto, and I have had a terrible experience. There's quite the list here. I also want to keep an eye on this. Oh, okay. Two babies up here. Let me take, all right, 4 minutes. That's too much time. 4 minutes. Make sure my TLS is open. Spy's gapping down almost a percent. Dude, I mean, honestly, it could trade down into 454 today. Yeah, I mean, I could easily say it opens here, retests just a little bit, and then just fades. I mean, it could even go 450s, dude, honestly. And the way I see, I don't know. I don't even know. My brain just calculates this. Like, if we get below these, then why wouldn't we come down into here? See this little micro pivot, this pivot. So, like, if we trade up and then start to get, because we don't have to go far. We trade up and then we get even right back to where we are. We're almost immediately underneath all that stuff. So, yeah, I don't know. It makes sense. Be watching it. Yeah, I mean, dude. If it feels, see, this is the stuff I'm talking about. If it trades up into maybe some of these pivots, maybe I'll sell some up here because the RR is amazing, and I'll just let it fade all day long. I'm actually gonna set this trade up just blindly. I'm just gonna set this up. I want to take this trade. This is an amazing trade. So good. All right, whatever. You win. I'll do another one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I mean, this is a really good trade. We can trade up into here somewhere and then just fade the rest of the day. Because, I mean, dude, with this gap up, that's a huge, 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 strong move to reclaim all this stuff on the spot. VIX is up. Yeah. I'll watch it. All right, real quick, I wanted to see the daily charts on here. Dark and move. Dark and move usually. NVIDIA. Oh, baby. NVIDIA could really fall today, dude. Oh, man. I'm going to be on NVIDIA for sure. If my public Wi-Fi doesn't keep me out of trades. All right. Snap. Dude, I kind of want NVIDIA pretty bad. Kind of want it pretty bad, dude. It's a good I think I'm just going to set this up, dude. I don't often set up just like blind trades, but bro, I want in this trade. All right, good too. Okay, I didn't get a good trade. Yeah, that I mean, dude, that's just that is an atrocious fill. I marketed in all the way up here. That sucks so bad. An atrocious, 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 atrocious fill. Okay, they're getting a lot of these. I mean, dude, if this candle closes an inverse hammer before, if it doesn't stop me out in 2 seconds, I mean, that's just a shit fill, dude, to be honest. Look at this fucking candle. Come on. Ugh. I like this candle on CVS so far. Mm. This candle on shop so far. Dude, be a nice candle on AMC. Fucking NVDA. Damn, it's just camera. It looked better pre-market. Now it looks like that's a pretty big move up into there, and it would have to fade like all day because these candles look fine. Okay, NVIDIA, that's the fuck I'm talking about. See, dude, I should have got filled all the way up here. It's just a terrible, terrible, terrible fill. Terrible fill. Atrocious fill. One of the worst fills of all time. I'm thinking about just putting another trade on up here. I mean, this is literally 100% what I called pre-market on this and said that I wanted. A big inverse hammer that pierced through here with volume. So, yeah, this trade should definitely work. Well, maybe not now. Wick isn't really that big. Ooh, CPS. Sorry, missed AMC. Probably pulled back quick. Public Wi-Fi, bro. All right, yeah, AMC was pretty nice, but this gave a wick, so I wouldn't have played this anyway. All right, let's go 276.76. If I got a good fill, I'd already be like in good shape. Tell you what though, bro, I might hold on to this puppy. I'm gonna leave it there as at an R for if I get there in like the next two candles. But if I see if I'm starting to see something cool here, if this candle closes with a wick, I'll just get out. But if we start to take this candle out in one or two candles, damn, it's already that big of a candle. Come on, man. Yeah. In all reality, the farthest right case down here. Oh, okay. Still got some room there then. Got a lot of room. Don't you dare. Don't you dare be a hammer. Don't even think about it. Don't even consider it. Don't even contemplate it. Just do what you're supposed to do and trade to zero. Probably hold this thing. You're a strong candle. Oh, baby, I'm taking this order off. on, son. This is almost 100% gonna close the hammer because this. I mean, dude, can you imagine? Dude, are you kidding me? This thing's all right. Did I take that order off? Yeah, here comes the hammer. If it doesn't close the hammer, I'm taking that order off, dude, because it's gonna retest and then just smoke. Should. There's no volume in this candle, though. Close the hammer. Like rip higher. Damn it. Yeah, bro. I mean, dude, honestly, though, by looking at the daily chart, this thing should trade down here. It would make sense for this candle to trade down lower. If this candle closes the hammer like this, I'll get out. I mean, dude, but with this wick, like in all reality, the top should be hammered with this volume. Yeah, bro, we get a nice close below this candle. Then I'm in good shape. Yeah, okay. So we get a nice close here. We should retest and then just. I don't understand why there's no volume. And you can interpret that a couple of ways. You can interpret it as like, okay, all these people are getting taken out and there's no volume. So like there's just really no power there. Or you can interpret it as like, well, this move's gonna fail because there's no volume to the downside. But dude, I like this candle. I like it a lot. Whatever. You know what? We hit that baby in one thing. 77.50. If you close the hand, I'm gonna be so disappointed in you. If he closes the hand, we're not really out of the woods. I mean, I still think that it. The fact that there's no volume. is what makes me a bit reluctant. Honestly, I'll probably get out of this trade for like $200, and then it'll trade up here, and then. But I really hope if it closes below this candle, dude, it's gonna be so nice. If it closes below this candle, I'll I'll probably scoot this order down just a bit, and then try to get out on the next candle. And yeah, it probably goes on to work for like 2R because there's nothing below it. But it's been a frustrating week. I just want some money, so it's gotta go now here. If it just starts wicking out, making a hammer, I'm gonna be pissed and I'll just get out for a little bit. But dude, I mean, there's 30 seconds, 39 seconds left, and it's still down here. That's a pretty good sign. Unless we get some buying into close. So it looks like we are. Similar. I mean, dude, look at that daily chart. Yeah, look at this fucking piece of shit. The top should be in. It's probably annoying. I don't even realize I do it, but I do this shit all the time. Like, grab the thing and, like, move it around. I just get antsy. It keeps me busy. Tell you one thing, bro. If it does trade, I'm just holding this bitch till forever. I don't care. Just take the full. I don't give a shit. I'm so fucking sick of this week. So frustrating. And SPY's getting wrecked, so there's no reason in the world why NVIDIA with a daily setup like this shouldn't trade down into here or here. Probably somewhere like this. I mean, yesterday's candle was a goddamn monster, though. So, I don't know. Just because it's the highway, I'll be pumped. We should get a push lower if it goes to the highway. Fuck's For the fucking 10th time this week, everything's working except the one I'm in. This is still a nice trade on AMC, to be completely honest. Like, SPY is literally getting wrecked. Everything's selling off. And NVIDIA is just moonlanding. I mean, no, it's not. It's not really. And honestly, this is a good retest. I don't know. Honestly, dude, stop me out. I don't fucking care. I'm so sick of this shit this week. I'm holding it. Everything this week I've got out safely on has went on to work pretty much, which everything last week I got out early on would have stopped me out. So I was playing a little cautious this week, and yeah, I missed out on a lot. So go ahead and stop me out. I don't give a shit. Um, Yeah, I don't care. I'm not even gonna put a stop on here. Trade up to $1 million. I don't care. Do you think? So goddamn frustrating, dude. I mean, like, what the fuck is that? What the fuck? What is that, dude? And I got that shit fill. If I didn't get a shit fill, I'd be barely down there. Snap it. Decent short. Where the fuck am I moving at? I'm taking the shit right now. 917 on snap. Do I have the buying power? No. 336. Give it to me. Ah, fuck. I don't have the buying power. Close on NVDA. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Oh, you can't make it up, dude. You can't make it up. Literally get below this fucking thing. I mean, there's no volume. Nobody should have been trapped. Look at this. Posturous turn of events. Now, if we get a high wave, I still think the thing fades. So I'm not gonna just. I'm not gonna really let it stop me out until like it gets up here somewhere like obvious. Because every day this week, pretty much, every day this week, I've been in this situation where it comes up again, and then I get out here, and then it goes on to work. So doing the same shit over and over again, I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to give it a chance. It should fade. It really should. It should fade all day down into like here. So if I survive this candle, I'm just going to put my stop right here and call it a day. Had I marketed out this week at like 0.7 in one candle, like every single trade I took this week hit like 0.7 in a single candle. Had I just marketed out every time, I'd be up like 4R right now. Which is like, that's why it's so frustrating. It's like 100% of the time, my target's been hit 70%. And then I go on to get fucking stopped out and shit. Now my rules do say, so I mean, it's my own fault because my rules say if it closes the hammer and I'm in short and I'm already profitable, I should take it. So I should have taken it right there and just been done. So I deserve to lose a 4R on this trade. I mean, Jesus Christ, look at this market. CVS was an incredible pullback, a retest right here. So good. Was I in it? Nope. Traded down right into where we said. Yeah, dude, what are you gonna do? I mean, what the? Who's buying this? I mean, dude, honestly, it could trade all the way up into here. So, whatever. I'll just get the fuck out. Yep. If I survive this candle, I'm putting stop right here. I'm not looking at it for the rest of the day. Snap, this is great because we already closed below. And this is a good trade. I don't have the buying power to be in it. Maybe I'll buy a put. We got filled up right here. We'll trade up, trade back down. I should buy a put. If it does trade down, maybe. What a couple of days of selling. Jesus. Yeah, the video's gonna work. Well, I don't know if it's gonna work, but I know that now I can put a stop there and whatever. It's done. So I'm gonna put a stop right up here. 289.10. So remember, this is where I should have been filled. I don't want to buy a put or a couple puts on Snap just to have it kind of trade inside all day because they'll eat me up and I'll just end up just throwing it. Because I would buy a 0 DTE. I'd buy today's 6-3. Who's buying them and why? Like, out the gate, it got, like, it should have, like, this should have been it. Like, there's no volume. There's no follow through from the Bulls. There's no follow through. Like, when it gapped down after this monster selling day, if it was going to get bought, it should have rampaged up. And it tried to. And there's your volume. And it didn't work. So it shouldn't, with this little bit of volume, it shouldn't really work to the long side. So for that reason, I'm not scared. Stop me out if you want. I'm not scared. Well, I'm a little scared, but there's no follow through. This shouldn't work to the bull side. And too many times this week, I would have been already out for like a small loss, and then it goes on to work. So, it's cost me money this week. It's cost me like $4,000 this week trading like that. So it's off X day. SPY's getting beat up. VIX is up. IWM selling off. Qs are ripping, which NVIDIA is part of the Qs. Oh, I'm sorry. That's the. No. Okay, so this should be it because the Qs are. The Qs retested. It's a great retest. Would have been nice to be in on that. And then straight down into that goddamn CVS trade, dude. Why was I not in that? Why was I not in that? Look at this close. Oh my god. And that's like, why was I not in this? Why was I not in that? I literally had it on my watch list and I wasn't in it. And I got into NVIDIA instead. And now I'm losing. Yeah, I wouldn't never been in that because the hammers. Same deal here, hammer. I say that as I sit in the trade that made a double hammer. I did get a bad fill. If I already got filled properly, maybe I'd be out of this trade already. Just been done for the week. But now, if I get back to break even, the trade should work. So I'm just gonna leave it where it is. And it's fresh. The homie Shep was checking out LVS for a short. Hopefully he didn't play it because of this hammer. But if he did, it would have worked. But that was a good candle, actually, on Disney. That was a good candle. Some angle. Good candle. Look at that volume. Oh, that CVS trade. Oh, it hurts. Hurts so bad. It hurts. Yeah, still told. Good God. Look at all this volume. Oh my word. Oh, never mind. Good rate. This good retest on Roku. Get in right here, but it probably trades up in here. Oh my Lanta. Look at this freaking volume, dude. A lot of volume out there. Okay, why can't you do this, NVIDIA? Can you tell me why you can't do this? Well, I mean, I guess they kind of did. No, I'd probably be even more pissed if I were in this trade, honestly, because this did get closed below and it retested, and then it went on to rip. I would be pissed off if I were in this trade. Oh, fuck, yeah, I sure got it. Oh, no, okay. Yeah, dude, I would have been hot if I were in this trade. Because, dude, I mean, straight up, look at that volume, and then it got taken out immediately and retested, and then This shit just ruined everything. Oh my god, I'd be so mad if I win that trade. That trade should work 10 times out of 10. Oh my god, shit. Like everything's, well, not everything. All right. I'm feeling better about NVIDIA. I like this consolidation. There is no follow through volume. It should just break down. And if it does, I'm holding it all day. If it breaks down, I'm just going to hold it. Maybe not all day. I don't know. If I get down to 1,000, I'll take it. The next breakdown we get, though, I'm definitely going to put a stop on. Like if it breaks down back here, I'll put it up here. I don't want to put it on yet because it's still, especially when there's no volume like this, sometimes market makers will just rip it up one last time with no volume and then it'll fall. So I don't really want to. And actually, like if this candle closes tiny too, this is actually like the retest of this. So I'd be okay with that. I mean, yeah, the Q's, well, yeah, the one day I get caught. Yeah, like Brett's like, is that double bottom not a concern? I'm like, where do you see that? Like maybe he's talking about this thing, but like who gives a shit, dude? If it runs down here, yeah, this is the last line of defense, but then boom, nothing till party time. Okay, Mr. N. The thing with this is it's gonna go one of two ways, which I never like being in trades like that because my edge is gone. So now it's 50-50. Yeah, the moving averages are here. We had a down day, but this thing could easily pop up here and retrace halfway up of this move, which would suck, but it wouldn't be like insane. It would be like, why did that happen? I have no idea why that happened. It would make perfect sense. Yeah, and like I said, if I would have got filled where I wanted to, I would have already hit an R, not point 0.7. So let's see if I got filled up here. So I probably would put my stop like here. Yeah, I would already hit an R, I'd have been out. So that's a little frustrating. But I mean, that's bad fills. I should have actually factored that in because I got a bad fill. I should have factored that in and just taken it there. Should have just it out. I like this candle. If it doesn't give me a wick, if it doesn't give me a wick, then my trade should work. If this candle closes down here below these, I should be able to make money on this. I will not take it at break even. I will make money on it. If this candle closes without a wick. And when I say without a wick, I don't mean like it can have a little, but like if it makes a hammer, then I'm out. So do something cool. If it gets below all this stuff, like for real below it, then I got nothing to worry about. The top should be in. I should be able to put my stop up. Let it do whatever it's going to do for the rest of the day. So, be super cool. Oh, let's do a snap. I think I didn't get in the snap. I still think the trade could work. But yeah, another one. Like, close below, retested, didn't work. That is so frustrating. And SPY is just getting pooped on. It should trade down into my target. Obviously, it never came up here. Look at this. I noticed it. So the fact that SPY is selling and is going to come down into support, that straight up tells me that this shit should, like, it shouldn't break above it. There's not enough strength in the market to hold a breakout. With SPY literally selling off into like midterm support. Look at this candle. Why? If it gets past here, bro, I mean, it needs to go a little farther. So we'll put this as like our first stop on SPY. And then if that gets broke, then we're coming down here. I mean, dude, we're below this stuff. So we're coming in. This is the pivot right here where it should bounce. 450, 458-ish. Yeah. I mean, I'll just keep saying it. With SPY selling off, there's no reason that this trade should break out to the upside. I should be able to make money on it. This is broken. It got retested. And if I don't take it break even for the first time this week, and it goes on to stop me out, well, that's just trading, dude. sometimes sometimes dumb shit happens. Yeah, I mean the trade should work now. I mean honestly, I don't like how like it really does look like an S curve now. But if we get some kind of strong, yeah, I could easily see a whip right there. Maybe I should just get out. Jesus. I mean, we're retesting this hammer perfectly. Oh, I should probably get out. I should probably get out. I should probably get out. 80% of the atoms in my body are like, get up. 20% are like, come on, bro. Grow a set. Hold the trade. But that just looks like a retest to me. It looks like such a nice little retest. See how it closes. This is what you want out of this consolidation, though. But I can't get away. I need it to close, maybe retest this, and then keep going. I cannot get away. I mean, a big win. I would like a shaved bottom close, though. That would be nice. Go. 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 Don't you start. Don't go. 277.50. I'm going to move my target there right now. Oh, right there. Okay. Oh, I love it. I love that candle. Thank you so much, Trading Gods, for that candle. Come on, Trading Gods. I've been good to you. I'm so nice to you, Trading Gods. I devote hours to you. I study you. I pray to you. I tell my friends to worship you. We could have a nice life together, Trading Gods. But I need you to get me out of this trade for an hour. Can you do that? Can you do that? Not for me, for us. Just rockets out. I would love just a little teeny little bull candle. I'd like that. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. So if this candle comes down here, then I will. If it comes down like this, we will get a retest, and so then maybe I hold it. We'll see. See what happens. One thing I know for sure is I'm a lot happier to be down here than I was when I was up here, for sure. I really do like these two candles. I like how this is forming right now. These are good candles. If you're in short. As of right now, obviously there's 3 minutes left. So this thing could just put a wick in and trade. It literally could stop me out in the same candle. It happens all the time. And when I say all the time, I mean it should never happen. Should never. But those market gods I was just praying to, they giveth and they taketh away. The market gods giveth and they taketh away. What I don't want is some kind of annoying ass wedged form. That would suck. I don't want that. I want it to break. I want it to break below this. I want to break. Let's go. If I get it closed down here, then the chances of it being a wedge aren't very high. If it closes shaved bottom like that, it's almost always like a wick on like a wedge or like a pennant or something like that. Hardly ever does it close shaved and still like validate the pattern. Finagle myself into it. If this closes a hammer again, I should thank the market gods for a second chance. Take the money. Oh, so badly. I would love just a close down here with a shaved bottom. That would make me so pleased. But what's probably going to happen is I make no money on the trade. Yeah, because it's going to trade back up into my entry. I'm going to be pissed off. Now we have a wick. Oh, God damn it. Just now we're getting into wedge territory. I don't want to wedge. I don't want to wedge at all, especially not an ascending. But if it closes a high wave, that's not a hammer. I can stay in. I would like a high wave, actually. Yeah, just because this is a high wave, we might be in business. Or a doji, whatever you want to call it. Not a doji. Well, that would be a doji. But yeah, let's go. Close just like that. No, not a hammer. Go back. Back. Oh, fuck. For the love of baby Jesus in golden face diapers, can I just catch a fucking break? I'm all confused. The last thing I want to do is give the market maker a stop to it. I hate doing that, especially when it's this tight. But I just don't want to be in the trade anymore if it comes back up here. If I start getting low down there, I'll throw the stop up. Okay. Okay. Give me a little bit more. I'll put the stop on. Promise. A little bit more. Okay. Getting there. Getting there. Go. Right now, a bearish candle would make more sense than a bullish candle. It doesn't really make sense for the candle to come down here and retest this hammer that much. Make more sense for a fuck. I'm sorry, you can't close your order. Like, oh, that's why. Everybody makes mistakes. 282. I love this candle. This candle's my best friend in the whole world. I never loved nobody more. Okay, welcome to the Thunderdome. This is what we do here. This is what we do. How about this move? Let's go. Spy's gonna bounce, so I don't know. See what happens. At least I'm gonna make money on the trade. That's cool. Unless the market maker's like, what's it? What's that little? What is that little stuff? What is that little thing? We gotta come up there and take that from him. You son of a bitch. Goddamn pesky bastard. Just give me some money. I have to take my stop off this game of places. So I have to give it a chance to come up here. I have to. I have to give it a chance to retest. Please give me some strength. Lord Jesus. Give me some strength. Now that this failed, bro, I can see a retest up into here. And then, so I have to give it a chance. Unless this closes shaved bottom. Which, if you don't know what a shaved bottom is, it just means there's no wick at all. But I have to give it a chance to retest. No, I don't have to. I don't have to do anything. Maybe I should just take the money here. Go out with a win for the week. Consider myself lucky I turned up Suki. And I start licking my gums. I'm fucking mad. Look at this. It didn't last 30 seconds. You had to just fucking shut up. Okay. Dude, what an emotional roller coaster. Oh, I have to take this off. I have to take that off. Oops. Okay, it's retesting the VPOC plus all these EMAs. Can still work. Am I frustrated? Yes, I am. Could the trade still work? Yes, it could. Yes, indeed it could. In fact, at this point, it almost should. Unless this candle just does what candles do and fucking explodes and just fucking does some shit. Well, I was right about where SPY was coming. I do like this retest, honestly. If this candle closes with a wick, I mean, look at that retest. That's a beaut. That is a beaut. Got all kinds of goodies right there. Stop buying it. What an absolute dump. I hate it here. But I was in a trade just like this yesterday on Path. Okay. It is. I got in right here. I hit 1R right here. My order was not in my broker, so I didn't get billed. Price came up here, damn near stopped me out. I got out right here. It came down to back to profitable, and then it retested again. Same level. Right at that VPOC where those EMAs are. And then bada boom, bada bing. Worked. It's not exactly the same because this came down way lower before it retested. But again, with this volume, like the top really should be in, especially now it tested it 2-3 times. So I mean, if you're considering this a double top, or even this a double top, this would be the neckline. So it should retest it. It shouldn't go much higher, but whatever. So if this thing wicks and it's, god damn it, dude. It's really important when you're a trader to have a healthy diet, to exercise, to keep yourself busy and engaged in a lot of other shit. Because if you're out here with high cholesterol, eating fucking Doritos for every meal, slamming Slim Jims every 27 minutes, sitting on the couch, you're gonna have a fucking heart attack because this shit is stressful. This shit is not the easiest thing in the world. The swings, the emotional swings. I don't like this candle. I would really like to put it away. It's going to close shaved bottom, or shaved top, which is exactly what we wanted to the downside. Damn it, dude. What did I say? I should just get out. I should just get out. And I did. I mean, it would be cool to make a lower high. But we also have a higher low. So, what does that mean? A fucking wedge, which I don't like. Or pennant, whatever the hell you. That would be cool. Huh? That would be neat. Huh? You gonna squeeze? Bet your bottom dollar we are. Bet your little Tookus wearing a squeeze. Decent guy, too. Look at all 30 minutes goes by. So this, dude, I'm never in trade at 10:30. Don't you fucking fire along, you stupid, dirty little squeeze. It shouldn't. It shouldn't. But this, it should. But if my grandma had wheels, she'd be a bicycle. You know? Do you know? Hey, dude, it's gonna chop in this goddamn thing. Oh, I hate a range. I hate a range when I'm in a trade. I just hate a range. The good news is it shouldn't fire long now. At least not on this push, because with this move it should pull back, and then since it's in a squeeze, it should go back into the range. Oh, for the love of fucking Christ. For the love of God. Praise him. do something to keep myself busy. I'm gonna look at all the trades I missed to car. Everything in the entire market is dealing with snaps though. This is what I don't want to happen on the video. CBS, look at this bounce, Jesus Christ. Yeah, this is not good. Everything's kind of stopped. Oh, for God's sake, look at AMC. This could be a good short. Are we coming into some resistance? I have a sneaking suspicion that NVDA is going to stop me out. With all of these explosions alongside, why would I be so lucky as to be in the only trade in the market that does work? What the hell? Why is that candle on? Doesn't make any sense. How does that make any sense? That's fucking, bro, that is the trap of a century right there. That is a trap. Easiest. Oh, wait. Am I in the right contract? Oh, no. Oh, yeah, I'm on the wrong contract. NVIDIA. Absolutely hate to see it. Have I spoken to them? Well, now we got 3 volcanoes in a row. Now we got some of this going on. And if it makes it, that's a relative high. We should get another dip. I need to decide if I want to get out or get out break even or just keep holding it. So, I don't know. At this point in time, I've already turned into a pumpkin, per se. It's way past midnight for me. 10:38, bro. Never in a trade this morning. Almost never. This is like a Brett Glover type of trade. Oh, let's check the YouTube and see if I have any live. Nope. No one watching. No chat. Whatever. You're lost, guys. Okay, I like this candle. Love a little poppy, poppy, poopy, poppy, poppy down. Cues. That's a rally, bro. That is a rally, bro. That is a rally. How does it look like this? Oh, because it's these. I mean, one could sell a trade. One could sell a contract, I'm sure. Or it's pretty good RR. In fact, I think perhaps I shall. 21, 31. That's a good 10-point stock. I'm going to buy one. I'm going to sell one. I'm going to sell one. Sell one. ESH. Shit. Man. Oh, oh, oh. I do like it. I'm going to hesitate not to. And NVDA. Oh, that candle closed like ass. No, I just straight up didn't trade my plan today. Should have got out here. Should have got out right there. Didn't. Okay. Should have got out somewhere in here. Didn't. And I'm paying for it. Literally paying for it with money. Buying mistake. Okay, so I already made like 6 points. It's fine. That's probably a good trade, honestly. I don't know. If it gets up here, maybe I'll do that. I don't want to be in two short positions, and then the market starts to rip, and then I lose on two trades in the same direction. And then you get into the situation where, okay, should I mark it out when I'm going to have four bull candles in a row here? Piece of shit. There it is. Fuck that. That sucks. That fucking blows. But now it's four bull candles in a row. What do I do? Everything in there tells me to hold and wait for a retest. And we're getting some sour in the flow too. What I would adore, I would absolutely adore, is a volume bar like this, and then the candle this size but closes bullish. That would be a gift from Jesus Christus. Arts and crafts. That's not right. Okay, close enough. What the fuck is all this? What are these gaps? Oh, that's what you want, baby. That's what you want. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's what you want. I should short that right this second. I should short that right now. Because this is a volume anomaly. This is exactly what I was just talking about. You get a little candle with big volume. At resistance. With a wick. I already missed it, probably. Okay, NVDA. Yeah. How was I just looking at? I do not have the buying power anymore. That's a good trade, though, bro. This needs it. This needs pull back into the game. It needs it. I'll just dilly dick around with NVIDIA for the rest of the day. Stupid asshole. Buys. Oh, boy. What in the world is one to do? My stop placement kind of sucked. Super OPM. Got a bad fill. Yeah. I had two chances to get out with a bad fill, and I didn't. I stopped the trading. That easy. Yeah, so now I'm actually down 1.3, which is not cool. Should never be down more than one. This is a bad stop and a bad fill. I should have taken my profits down here. Should have taken profits here, and I should have taken profits here. A bad boy today. It's going to cost me money. And we're starting to get up above this wick now. I mean, in theory, the Bulls still should be like tired because they pushed it up here 3 times. So they really shouldn't have a lot of energy left to really take this thing a lot higher. Really shouldn't. Which is the only reason I'm still holding this wet tomato right now. Really should. And there's no follow-through volume. The price is creeping up here, cool, but there's no follow-through volume, and this thing should hold. Like I said, 3 times now. This could be, if I'm the luckiest dude in the world, this could turn into a Head and Shoulders. Straight down again. So, I know I said if we get back down here, I'll throw a stop right here, but I also said that I would take profit slice, and I haven't. So, this will be Custer's last stand here. For real. If I get back below break even again, I will put a stop here. Which are you gonna work? I don't like it now because I like it to happen in one candle. Now the moving averages are coming up and yeah. But I hope this will work. It'll be fun for you to see. Shop with a nice little bullish move. Coin bounce like a goddamn bouncy guy. Oh baby, look at that. Oh, look at that volume. This one's gonna look perfect. That's it. That's the thing. That's the stuff right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bull candles in a row with a volume anomaly. No way. That is what you are after. It retested halfway through. Stop. That's the only thing. There's not really a great place for a stop. But yeah, you're already in an R pretty much. Pretty much already in an R. That is a great example. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, I gotta get this straight. Let's go. Mark it out right now. Or take my loss. Fucking A, dude. I'm down 1.5. That's so cheap. And there's no volume. Oh, that's so bad. There's no volume, dude. Why? This must be some OpEx market maker bullshit, because there is just not a lick of volume. Not a lick of it. You know where there was volume? Right here. Right on 2 lines, jeez. Fucking sucks, bro. That is just shit. Shit way to end the week. Absolutely shit way to end the week. There's a buyer there, dude. There's still a buyer there. Jesus Christ, who's buying this? What the fuck? Yeah, bro, the squeeze fired. There it was. Good trade. This dude's just a psychopath. I don't. He takes this. He always wins. He's a beast. I'm just gonna check out this trade Hoff's in. Oh, that's a good trade. Oh yeah, see that. I can see that. Yeah, we're using this pivot. Not there's no volume though. I mean, there's volume there. I could see it fading up into 339. I'm my hope has already been crushed on NVIDIA. I was like, oh yeah, I mean, it could still close as a shape bottom and take this candle out and then trade back down. But like now, I expect the world's strongest hammer and for price to go to 20 million. Because I'm in the same trade as Hoff, but I'm on the short side waiting for it to work. So Hoff's basically in this trade long. It's like this. Which is a at this point a better trade, but there's no volume. But if we can get it closed back below this stuff, then we'll really be in business. Because, I mean, dude, how many times can you fail before nobody wants to buy it? My stop's in place. My risk is defined. SPY is a... Oh, God. Thank God I didn't take that. Jesus Christ. Look at the strength of that move. Are you kidding? Oh, my word. I mean, bro, in all honesty, no, not with SPY, not with what SPY's doing. I was gonna say I could see it trading back down below all this shit, making like an inverted hammer, but with what SPY's doing, I don't think so. Because buyers are seeing SPY, they're seeing risky come on the SPY, so everybody's like, okay, well, I guess we're buying, and so NVIDIA just, no one's afraid. No one's like, oh, okay, well, I'm not going to buy it because SPY's shitting, so who knows how much lower it can go. So nobody's really afraid. So it makes more sense for, I mean, it maybe just trades sideways, really, but nobody's afraid. Like, if SPY were still selling, this wouldn't have worked. Like, it wouldn't have reclaimed. God damn, I've been trading forever today. I don't see a way to reach. I mean, Brett's a beast. He's way better. He's probably a better trader in general than I am, but I don't see a way through him. Could be because he's just a way better trader than me. I do like this, though. I do like that, and I like this, and I like that. I like this. I do like this on the 3-minute chart. I do not see a wave 3. I don't see a wave 3 long. I mean, if anything, and I don't see, this isn't, I don't really think this, but 1, 2, 3. It's a great deal. So far, but as we've seen 127 times today, it probably trades back up to here. A million buyers come in and it just forms the craziest Thor hammer of all time. Excuse me. I do like the close. I like the close on this candle though. I don't know what he's talking about with that one. I don't see it. Don't see it. I'm back down right now. I'll say this for the 39th time. I should just get out of the trade. No, it might work. Not work, but hurt less. We shouldn't just. It would make no sense for this to just come up here and stop me. I do not see what he's talking about. Oh, you know what? Maybe he thinks this is like a 1-2. Duh, that's exactly what he thinks. That is a nice one too. Jesus. All right, we'll find out. Kind of like that. I kind of like. Yeah, and if it fails here, we're in good shape. If it doesn't, because usually with a wave three, it shouldn't really come, or a two, I'm sorry, it shouldn't really come like, I don't know, it can, but once it gets below this, because of these pivots, if it gets below this stuff, it more than likely is going to retest and go lower. So like if this shit wasn't here and this was just like a breakout, yeah, that would make a lot more sense. But if it breaks out here, I'm sorry, if it breaks down here, then we're in good shape. Go back to the 5, so I don't double dip. Oh, my time frame. Yeah, I mean, I like that. I do like that. That's a nice tweezer. Is it perfect? No, not perfect. It's pretty good though. Do you like that? Pivot. I do like it. No. There's a chance I don't lose money on the trade, which will mean that I've made actually like fucking $3,600 back since I've lost. I lost 1,000 here. I lost 1,000 here. I lost 1,600 here. So that's 2,000. That's 1,600. That's $3,600. I don't lose. Well, if I get in here, if I can get out break even. If this does break down, if it does, and I know I've said this, but if it does break down here, there is no reason in the world it should take out 289 today. None. There's no reason for that. Not a single one. Check out the screws. Yeah, bro. I mean, well, I don't know. I've seen this a lot. I've actually seen this a lot where you get this wick here, and then it trades up to it and then fades. So that's actually, hey, don't do it. Oh, how many times in one day can you be wrong? I mean, dude, look at these candles. Who the fuck is buying this shit? Who is buying that? No one is. No one's buying it. Why is it doing that? Who the hell is buying that? I mean, that is just a banana sandwich right there. That is a banana sandwich, dude. A banana sandwich is what that is. That's what you're witnessing right now. Look at the candle. Oh, for God's sake. Take a good look, everyone. That's what that is. That is what that is. No peanut butter. No. No, 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 no. No peanut butter, no Nutella, just bananas. Maybe mayo, because that's gross. I know people say it's good. It probably is good, but no, no, no. Just bananas. Here we go. Here we go. Now we're getting into some banana sandwiches. Oh, you want to gap up? Why not? Let's do it. Here. B-A-N-A-N. B-A-N-A-N. The shit is bananas. B-A-N-A-N. How many double tops can one stock make in a day? How many? Remember that one time when I made $700 in like 2 minutes, and then I sat through this shit all day long? I do. I remember that. I refuse. I'll lose my whole account on this trade. I'm not covering. I will not cover my short. I will hold it until my account value is zero. I will hold it until I'm margin called. I will hold this trade. Look at this nice little range. I mean, it should. It should. It should do that. It should do that. Damn it, Christmas. Look at Spy. An absolute shit house. This is where I wanted it, but it already made the move. Oh my god. What is happening in the marketplace? What in the world is going on out there? Is there news? Is there some kind of news? I don't want that. Just some kind of news? 923. No, not really, dude. You gotta have heart. The words of Gene Hackman. Miles and miles of heart. Oops, I shouldn't duplicate that on this snap. This is what you need in this market. Oh, baby, baby, how was I supposed to know that this trade wouldn't work out? Oh, baby, baby, I should have just let you go. When I was making money, tell me how it's going to be. Should I end it or should I hold now? Hold because my money loss is killing me. And I must confess, I still believe that this stock could make a double top. Give me a breakdown. Come on, baby, let's make money. Lance Strichler, all rights reserved. Please contact my booking agent for shows. I will perform live. I need a way to make money because obviously I can't do the trading. So please let me know if you need me to sing at your kid's birthday party or a bar mitzvah, whatever. I'll do it. Quinceañeras. We'll do that for the right price. Obviously, you can see that I make about I don't know, somewhere in the realm of negative $400 an hour, $300 an hour. So that sounds good. If you want me to pay you $300 an hour to come singing your quinceañera, we'll do that. I'm starting to like this, though. I'm starting to like this. I must confess, when I'm not with you, I lose my mind. All we need is a little love like this. If we get this, if we were fortunate enough to get this, we would then get this. Oh, come on. Give it to me. Just give it. Give it. Give it to me. Or or we would get this and then just a sec. I gotta get this candle right. We'd get that and then we would probably get no, that's not right. Yeah, it looks okay. All right, yeah, then we would get this candle. Yeah, okay, so yeah, that's what would happen. We would probably get this, and then we'd hit this little trend line, put in a nice little wiki blue. Oh, man. I did this. Whatever. Yeah, so we would probably get like a nice little wick through there. No, we wouldn't. We wouldn't get a wick through. We just hit this, and then and the volume bar would be like this. And then yeah, so the volume bar would be like that, and then we get this candle, which would stop us out, but whatever. My loneliness is killing me, and I just click the wrong shit again, shit again. Give daddy that juice. One thing. Just give me the juice. Spy, you selling off yet? Oh, Mr. Spy. You're showing your weakness. Cues. What do we have here? Oh, yes. Uh-oh. 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 Oh my god, here we go. Oh no, I'm on cues. What the hell am I doing? What else was interesting? Wasn't AMC cool? Oh, Amazon. Look at these rallies. These rallies serve French fries. 20%? Oh, this would hit an R though, but 20%? 20%. Look at, dude, you know how many people? Oh my God, I just remembered I had a friend that was in this. Oh, that sucks. Like a friend that like is using his AM. So he got an AMC, like, I don't know, somewhere over here. And then he didn't sell it. Didn't sell it. Held it through this. Didn't sell it here. I told him, listen to me, dude. If it gets back to 46-ish, 45, sell that shit. Didn't do it. Didn't do it. No, it wasn't in November. It was this time. It was in October-ish. I told him that. He didn't do it. Now look at you, you silly boy. $20. Is this puppy? This was the juice. I mean, quick check on NVDA. This was the juice. B, C, D, E. Well, okay. But then the other way. I don't even know if I draw this right, to be honest. Don't take my word for that. I think, I don't know. Let's see. Boom. Wait, does that count? Boom, 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 boom. No, I did it again. Oh, yeah, no, that's right. Yeah. A, B, C, D, E. I don't know. I'm not good with this. I don't know. It looks like a triangle. It looks like a wedge. I don't give a shit about all the letters and all that stuff. Oh, yeah, video. Let's go. Give me a little cell. Give me a cell off. Cell. Okay, I've conceded to the fact that I will get out break even on the trade because it's right around this trend line. Oh, will I do that? Yes, I will. I've been wrong 3 times. I should do that. I should. But this is a sweet double top. Well, it's not a double top yet. It needs to break down first. And then do this, and then see what the boys are up to. And the girl. There's one girl. And some boys. Join us. No one's watching this at all. I'm talking to myself. I've been talking to myself all day. I've been talking to myself all day for 2 hours. I've been talking to myself. I've been holding this turd of a tray, singing Brittany. Sorry, no. Britney Spears all day. My loneliness is killing me. I'm not. Yeah. No, I'm starting to believe less and less. I so love this double top though. My loneliness is killing me, and I'm impressed by still within, still within. Oh my god. Ugh. Oh, dude, these rallies, bro. CBS just did this at all-time highs. Are you shitting me? Are you shitting me? After this candle yesterday? CBS should not close a hammer. It should not. CBS should not close a hammer. It should break down again. This trade should work. It should not close a hammer. I like almost need to take this because this should not close a hammer. It absolutely should not do that. I don't have the buying power. I'm gonna buy a put or two. CVS is this trade for us. CVS. There's just not a lick of light. Oh, NVIDIA's ripping again. Yeah. Excuse me, public Wi-Fi. No, it's not. Okay, I just keep forgetting what the number is. CVS, CVS. Look at why? It doesn't make any 6.2. Like these fucking reclaims. Honestly, though, this was a good long right here. Yeah, some volume came in. We got some closes. Something like this. Makes a lot of sense. Oh, to the penny we're in. Let's go. Boop, 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 boop. NVDA, let's go. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Oh, let's do it. I am. I want you to look at me. I'm a fortune teller. I am a fortune teller. You know that one time when I said I'm going to get out break even? Not so sure. Not so sure now. I'm not so sure. Because, dude, that's a double top of double tops. This should retest. It should just. You know what? I'm going to hold it. I have held it. I've held it through all of this stuff. Oh, by golly, I'm going to hold it some more. Unless it's retesting this. In which case, I am going to be a hot tamale. I mean, that makes sense. Look at this pivot. There's all kinds of shit here. I don't know. We'll see. How many times can one man be wrong on a trade? Bro, you don't get in there. That's why. You you got in on a bullish move. Allow me to show you. 1 sec. My loneliness is killing me, and now I must confess I love money. When I'm not trading, I lose my mind. This candle that's forming right now will close a hammer. I can almost guarantee. See, what's that P&L looking like there? Gentlemen, ladies of the jury. This is what I mean, bro. That's a double top. You see how there's one top and then another one? There's two of them. That's a double top. I gotta fucking hold it. I gotta hold it, dude. I gotta hold it. Gotta just gotta hold it. We've been through so much. We've been Oh, Martin, you are the shit. I love that dude. You stupid turd. Just break the hell down. Don't you dare hold that trend line. Don't you even consider holding that trend line. Do it. This will be good. If we get another candle down here, that'll be a nice little breakdown. Price will probably do something like that. It should do this. I'm telling you, dude. Hold that trend line. I'm going to the grocery store. I'm buying a carton of eggs and some bananas and two loaves of bread, and I will make a banana sandwich. What will I do with the eggs, you ask? Take them to a Best Buy. I'll go to the computer section and I'll throw them at every single thing that has an NVDA card in it that I can find. And if I get kicked out of Best Buy, wouldn't be the first time, would it? No, it wouldn't. I'm effed. Oh, baby. Dude, I'm not worthy. I'm not worthy of this move. From Can you believe this day, this trading day, and it broke the trend line? Can you believe the fortune, the straight up fortune that one man can experience? I mean, we've had ups, we've had downs, we've had sidewayses, we've had diagonals. I mean, we're below this trend line, bro. We are below it. We're below. Don't you do that. Don't you make a wish. Don't you do that, you pesky bugger. If it does make a wick, it's going to retest hard as hell. I don't want it to do that. Just sell off forever. Just keep doing that. 8250. Come on, just keep doing it. Everyone's doing it. Everyone loves you. No, we don't want a wick. I don't want this. I just want it to sell forever. What kind of dumbass doesn't get out of the trade break even after all this? Right here. What's my even bill price? 282.08. Kind of absolute mutant gets out of this trade break even after all this. I'm just kidding. I gotta get out. I've got to get out. I have to. Come on, come get me out of that. What the hell's going on here? Oh, that's why. 3208. Come on, 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 come on. Oh, come on, come on. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't. Shit, I did it. Oh, this train's gonna go on to work. Oh, it's gonna go on to just rain. Suki. Excuse me. It's gonna go to 0. Oh, it's gonna go to 0. My Lanta. What a goddamn day, dude. What a day. What a day. I mean, there was literally nothing to fear after it got back below the ship. Yeah, it could have held it forever. But, I mean, bro, what a day. I didn't actually laugh. I know I typed ha ha ha, and I didn't actually laugh. Isn't that weird to see someone actually do it? Yeah, I mean, dude. Uh, excuse me, I know I'm terrible stream etiquette. Look at this trade. Look at that trade. Okay. Chip should be okay on PayPal. Where's his entry? Dude, yeah, what the hell? He saw these ham. What? It could still work. 185.46. Yeah, get the hell out. You're good. 185.46? Shit. Oh my god. Oh, NVIDIA is gonna go to fucking 0. God damn, son. Look at that move. I don't like personally diagonal trends. If I see a trend line, I get the hell out. I don't play it. I don't care because there's just no point. I like horizontal, so I would have got in up here. As you saw, it hit my targets to like what? I don't know, the penny. See, high 73. My entry's at 69. Yeah, so I'd have got triggered into the penny. I'd already be up 1 hour. I considered buying puts there. Let's see, ease. I considered. Well, I would have been apt on the ease contract because I would have got it here. But that's what I don't like. So like SPY is obvious to me. Like I like the gap. I can see that like the gap was filled. Whereas on ease, it looks like the support level's here, even though the gap fill's not on SPY isn't until up here. So that's why the ease I get tripped up with the ease. Well, I used to a lot when I would try to proxy a SPY trade with ease because it's not the same. So, but dude, if you'd have got zero DTE puts right here, bro, and then you get this move at noon on SPY with the VIX at 22, that's a fucking, you just made a shitload of money. Even though this is only 1 R on this, if I played that with options, it'd be like 3 Rs because the move was so fast. So yeah, that was a great move. A great move on SPY to the short side. And it double topped right into it. I mean, it's just a great dude. I don't know why I'm not in that trade. You can ask me, and I will tell you, I do not know. I'm not in that trade. Everything's kind of topping. Vite, that's why you got to be super quick with these babies. Super quick, and once you're profitable, don't lose money on them because you shouldn't get a bounce back up. You're just trying to ride this wave down. So that would have been what? 0.73. Yeah, I would have got out. I know, but if there's a hammer on this, you just got to get out. You got to take it as low as you can. If it hits an R, great. Do not let it go back up on you. So this trade would have made like, I don't know, $200. Which, I mean, but it's obvious. Like, when you see that, I need to forget what goddamn thing it was. NVDA. I should have got that. Okay. Yeah, so when you see this volume anomaly at resistance like this puppy, see that with a wick? Set it up like halfway through the candle. I'm in, and then yeah, I'd have been out. Wait, would I have been? Well, I definitely would have been out above it. Tell you that for sure. Yeah, maybe I focus that. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I would have been out above it because that makes sense. You know, the pop down. Yeah, that's the stuff. And I would honestly like to remove this big. I would have expected, yeah, down into here, I guess. So a few more pennies out of it. But that strategy works pretty often, unless it's at all-time highs because there's no resistance. Another one. That was pretty good too. Yeah, that would have worked. You'd have got beat on this one. You would have got beat on that one. No, not necessarily. I think we'd actually looked at this one and we're like, where do you put stop? That makes sense. Something like this, I think. Yeah, that makes sense. Look at that inverse hammer with that volume. So I want to short it. Yeah, dude. I could have been honest. Yeah, but, I mean, that's $1,400 in 10 minutes. Nice, straight. Okay, so I'm going to add these ones to the list, actually, on my back trading one. I've been trying to, I'm going to show people good setups. So I think I had Apple. When did I have Apple? When did I have text? I don't remember. Okay, it doesn't matter. All right, so AMC 12, 17. I think it's like December 6th. Oh, and NVDA today was good. Okay. That's good one. Oh, wait, I literally already typed that. Jesus Christ. It has been quite the day. I typed that hot and I didn't laugh. I did it on the inside. I laughed on the inside. You can cry on the inside and die on the inside. You can certainly laugh. Dude, check out this 2-second watch time. That's sick. It's so sick. Oh no, my headphones are